Hey everybody! Yes, this is not motorcycle related, this is indeed a tale of a fridge freezer. Now, I haven't even bought this fridge freezer, I was just trying to. And the past hour and a half has been wasted speaking to people who are absolutely useless at their jobs, apart from one of them who was great. But anyway, I'll explain the story. So, I'm looking for a fridge freezer for me and Reno. This seemed like a reasonable one. And as you can see, it says Indesit 234 litre freestanding fridge freezer, a 50-50 split, A+ energy rating, 55 centimetres wide, white, energy class A+. And I'm like, good, I want at least an A rated one. You know, here you go, energy rating A+, fast freeze function. We go further down here, energy efficiency A+, right? It seemed too cheap to be an A+, so I thought I'm just going to check the Indesit website itself. You can see here, IBD 5517W. IBD 5517W F. F. Not A, not A+, F. So I thought, I know, I'll have a quick chat with Amazon and see what the deal is. Maybe this is a different one, maybe there's a mistake somewhere. Let's see if we can find out what's going on. So this is the chat I had with Amazon to start with. It was a bot to start with, and then it got me a human. Hi, the item listed is an A energy rating. However, the model number on the maker's site says it's F rated. What is correct? Now, I know the manufacturer is most likely going to be right here, but I'm still going to ask. I gave them the link to their product. Please allow me a moment to check this for you. We have this as an A+ energy efficiency rating. Yes, I know, but the maker says different. Here's a link to the maker's website. I do not want to order it if it's an F. We take full responsibility. Okay. It's listed as the same model number. You are still telling me that it's an A rating. Our website has mentioned this is A+ rating. In this case, you have to get confirmation from the manufacturer. Why? Why do I have to get information from the manufacturer when it's on your... Let me connect to use my heavy goods team. Okay, fine, please do. Same thing. Hi there, blah, blah, blah. Hello there, how can I have a look? You see, this is repeat. Same, asking the questions. The correct energy rating for this item is an F. So you're mis-selling. May I ask where you see an A on the site so I can report it, please? In the title, twice, here, here, and here. I'm sure there's more if I keep looking. Then they post this listing. Is it the right item? It is not the right item. It's not even close. No, here is the link I posted earlier on. Thank you for confirming. This one is an A. The other one is an F. Sorry. I can't open the seller's link as it cannot be accessed on our system. So I guess they're saying they can't access that one, I assume. So at this point I'm like, okay, I will make this very clear. The listing says it's an A. If you give the model number a check, it comes back as an F. Are you saying the manufacturer is wrong? The item is sold by the maker on our site. I can only give the information as what you see on Amazon about the product. I cannot confirm if the maker is wrong or right, as they are the ones listed the product. You can get in contact with them and ask or perhaps consider a different item. So they're trying to push me to a different brand. Okay, so I said, okay, I know what I need to do now. Thank you. I need to go to Curry's. So what I then did was I called Indesit, the Whirlpool group. Called them, sat on waiting there for a while on the line, eventually did a callback thing, got a phone call back from someone from Indesit. The guy was fantastic, absolutely brilliant guy to talk to. And I had a conversation with his manager through him. Basically, I explained my situation. He typed that out to his manager. His manager replied to me. Then he listened to what I said. And so basically, the manager could have talked to me directly from Whirlpool Indesit, but didn't. Made me talk through this advisor, which made things very uncomfortable for him because he's having to sit there in between waiting for answers back. We're you know, I'm making little jokes with him. Like, it's funny. So his boss comes back and says, oh, Amazon's responsible for that because it's on their website. And I'm like, yeah, I get that, but they've said that you're responsible because it's your listing. I don't really know what their outcome on that one was. He just kind of stuck in the sand with that one. And then they said, that what it might be to do with is the fact that recently when we changed from the EU, an A plus of the past is now categorized as an F. I didn't know they'd done this. So what they're saying is it may be listed on our site as an F, but it's still got the energy efficiency of the old A star. And I said, okay, that's great. Retrospectively, that's fine. However, it's not retrospective when it's currently being sold at an A plus. So if it's an A plus, but it's not the new A plus, that means it's even worse overselling. The manager of Whirlpool didn't basically want to listen to this. And I said, look, I'm just going to put you this way. Just, you know, if I was to buy this now as an A plus, and I receive it from Amazon, and it's an F, and I call them to make a complaint about it and want to follow it up, then they're going to tell me to come to you. And what, are you going to tell me to go to them? See what I mean? The manager at Whirlpool really didn't want to talk to me and just didn't want to get involved with it, and didn't obviously care to just, you know, if Amazon's claiming that you're responsible for something that's currently mis-selling, it might be an idea to actually like look into this a little bit more. I've given the relevant information to them. Hopefully his manager will pay attention to that. To be honest with you, for shits and giggles, I then called Amazon, and I called them this time. I didn't use the messenger, and I had a chat with a woman there and explained the whole situation, explained I've been sent backwards and forwards. She could not find this listing. I couldn't send her a link. She searched, literally I gave her the entire name as it is there. She could not find it. She put in, I explained to her 3 times, it's an Indesit, and she goes, okay, so what I've got here is a candy. I'm like, no, it's clearly not a candy, it's an Indesit, I've just said that. So what I've ended up doing is this. I've told Amazon that it appears that their listing is incorrect, and that if they're telling people that Indesit is responsible for the listing, you might want to have a word with Indesit about that, because they're saying you're responsible. And to be aware that it's either it isn't A plus and it's an F, or it's the new F because it used to be an A plus, but it's still being sold as an A plus, which means it's still wrong. As I say, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to a Curry's, I'm going to walk up to a machine, I'm going to press my face into the door, I'm going to look at the A sticker on it, and I'm going to buy that one. But there you go. I wasted an hour and a half of my morning trying to buy a fridge freezer, speaking to Amazon, Indesit, back to Amazon, and the long and short of it is, someone's getting ripped off and no one's taking the blame. I'm just glad that I checked this before I ordered it. So there's a little word of warning if you're looking at a fridge freezer. Make sure that when you're on Amazon and other things, if you see an energy rating, check the model number against the manufacturer's website to see if it's being mislabeled or missold. Because as you can see, A rating, A rating, A rating, A rating, A rating, F. What more can I say? Catch you in the next one.